Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on chat notifications on OfferUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to receive notifications when someone messages you. How do you actually go ahead and turn on chat notifications on OfferUp? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first log on to OfferUp, then click on Account. Next, scroll down and then click on Account Settings. Now we have some butter information here, but scroll down even more and then click on Manage Notifications. Next to where it says Chat Messages, click on Edit. And you want to make sure that the email or push notification button is turned on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and receive chat notifications on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.